this beautiful? Do I look beautiful? Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be dyeing our hair purple. So what you are going to need: a mixing bowl, some brushes, some cheap conditioner, and your purple dye. So now what we're going to do is mix our dye. Where is it? Just going to glob it in there. I got a big bowl of conditioner now. I'm going to take my purple Haze, take my little brush, and I'm just going to get a glob like this big. I don't know. We'll see. Always take less the first time around. Is this the color I wanted? So now we have this beautiful color. We're just gonna mix it in. So I'm using conditioner to dilute the color, obviously. Alright, oopsie. Here is the purple. Hopefully you can see I'm dripping it everywhere. Just slop it on there. If you hear heavy breathing, that's my dog. She's a little overweight. And it's not my fault, I swear. Whenever you fill the bowl and you think it's enough, just put a little more in. All right. We're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes. So after my 30 minutes, I'm going to wash it out and we're gonna see how beautiful it really is. I got purple hair. It's pretty nice, turned out okay. There's still some spots that didn't really take to the purple, like in here, just because they're not as light as the rest of my hair. So that sucks, but what can you do? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.